Microsoft Designer is a free AI-powered design tool that helps you create professional and high-quality designs for social media posts, invitations, digital postcards, graphics, and more. To use Microsoft Designer, you will need a Microsoft account. Once you have an account, you can access Designer online, or on your Windows 10 PC, you can visit designer.microsoft.com. Here are the basic steps on how to use Microsoft Designer. First, go to the Microsoft Designer website, or you can open the Microsoft Designer app. Then, get started for free. You can sign up or sign in with your Microsoft account. Sign in with your email, your password, and make sure all the data is correct. Once you log in to Microsoft Designer, you will notice in the left side of the screen that there is a text box. Describe the design you want to create in the text box. You can use keywords, adjectives, and even complete sentences. For example, you can give him an order to create social media posts. Then, click on Generate. Microsoft Designer will generate a few different designs based on your order. You can preview the designs and choose the one you like best. Here you can choose the one that you like. Then you can customize the design by adding text or pictures or background, or you can change the color, for example. After designing and finishing from all the design that you want, you can create download from here. Or you can share it online on social media platforms. Here are some examples of order you could use with Microsoft Designer. You can ask to create a social media post for a new product launch, an invitation to a party, a digital postcards for a friend, a graphic for a website, or even a marketing banner. That's it for today. Thank you.